Installation guidance for vinyl folding door, tools and materials. Tape measure. Electric drill. Laser level. Plastic shims. Screws. Step 1. Install the door frame. Lift the door frame to align it with the door opening. Use a laser level to check if the door frame is level with the door opening, and observe with a tape measure. If there are any uneven areas, insert plastic shims into the door frame before securing it with screws. Fix the door frame hinges with screws. Step 2. Install the door panels. Lift the door panel to the door frame and use air cushions to raise it. Align the door panel with the hinges on the door frame and fix it with screws. Test if the door frame works properly. Lift the second door panel into place beside the door frame. Align it with the hinges and fix it with screws. Position the top of the third door panel with the hanging rail and fix it with screws. Align the lower hinge and fix it with screws. Test if the door panels work properly. Install the door panels on the other side using the same method. Step 3. Install locks and handles. Install the handles on both sides and fix them with screws. Install the center handle and fix it with screws. Fix the door lock with screws and test if the handles and lock work properly. Installation completed.